Today we're diving into the incredible features of the Instant Pot 10QT Air Fryer, a 7-in-1 kitchen marvel that crisps, broils, bakes, roasts, dehydrates, reheats, and even rotisseries with its advanced EvenCrisp technology, delivering all the crunch and tenderness of deep frying with little to no oil. This versatile appliance boasts a drop-down door design in sleek silver and black, making it a stylish addition to any kitchen. With its top heating element and fan, you can expect quick and even heating, ensuring optimal cooking and baking performance every time. The one-touch smart programs make it a breeze to customize your cooking for easy chicken wings, roasted veggies, cinnamon buns, and more, while the fast preheating feature lets you cook your meal quickly, using the included trays to prepare multiple dishes at once. Easily adjust the temperature from 95 to 400 degrees Fahrenheit to suit your culinary needs, and enjoy the perfect size for growing families, side dishes, and appetizers. Plus, with included accessories like a rotisserie spit and forks, rotisserie fetch tool, rotisserie basket, drip pan, and 2 cooking pans, this air fryer is ready to elevate your cooking game. So, whether you're a seasoned chef or a home cook, the Instant Pot 10QT Air Fryer is your ticket to delicious, hassle-free meals.